In this video, I will show you how to install Ubuntu on your PC as a dual boot system. This tutorial applicable for Windows 10 and 11 both. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Firstly, if you are using Windows 11 Pro Edition, like me, ensure that BitLocker is disabled. If you are using the Home Edition or another edition, this option is permanently disabled. First open browser, and search Ubuntu download. Go with first link. Accept all. Click on the download button. Downloading will be started now. After downloading complete, search Rufus. Open the first one. Scroll down, go with standard. After both files downloaded, close the browser. Open the Start menu and search for Disk Partition. To create a new partition for Ubuntu, right-click on the C drive and select Shrink Volume. Enter the desired size in MB. I recommend providing at least 25 GB. Do not configure this unallocated space. During the installation process, you will see this space labeled as Free Space. Close the Disk Manager, open the File Manager, navigate to the Downloads folder, and run Rufus as an administrator. Drag and drop the ISO file. Insert a USB drive with a minimum capacity of 8 GB. After completing this step, choose the disk partition style. To ensure your disk partition style, open the Start menu and search for Disk Partition. Open it, then right-click on the disk and select Properties. Click on the Volumes tab to see the partition style. In my case, it is GPT. Close the Disk Manager, set the partition style, and then start the process. This will take some time.
A few moments later.
After completing close Rufus and File Manager, then open Start and search Reset this PC. Open it. Go with Advanced Startup. Click on Restart now. Click on Use a device and select your pendrive. Select Try or Install Ubuntu and hit Enter. Then choose Language and Next. Again Next and Next. Go with Offline Installation. Install Ubuntu. You have two options to choose from. The first option includes essential apps, while the second option offers an extended selection with offline apps and utilities. If you choose the extended selection, please ensure you are connected to the internet. I'm going with default selection. Check Install third-party software and Next. Click on Manual Installation, and then Next. You will see your created drive displayed along with their free space labels. Please ignore any drives with small amounts of free space. Select Free Space, and click on plus icon. Used as ext4 and mount point is /, then OK. Click on Next, set username and password. Choose country. Here mention all charges you perform. Click on Install, this will take some time. Now click on Restart. Remove pendrive and hit Enter. Well, first option is Ubuntu and fourth option is Windows. Go with Ubuntu first. Firefox working fine. And here is Ubuntu App Store with some popular softwares. RAM usage 1.6 GB. Now you need to update your Ubuntu. Just open Terminal and type sudo apt update and an apt upgrade, and hit Enter. Then enter your system password. It will take some time to update all packages. On the File Manager you can easily access your Windows C drive. Now let me show you how you can boot into Windows. Just open Control Center, click on Power icon then Restart. Select Windows Boot Manager and hit Enter. Now Windows is booted. So that's it for today's video. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.